Good morning, everybody. This is Davey from the New Trader. This is Marie. Let's see what opportunities we find in this market today. Just to get it out of the table, Marie was right yesterday, so SPY never print 600. It went like literally like 590.99 and like 599 only 99.00 and
599.70, wasn't it?
uh
I thought my line was 599.70.
no, the price was the high of yesterday was 599.00. You can see it right there. But yeah, she was right. So he never hit that 600. So I lost the bet again there. So yeah, your thing is I don't know. It's not working correctly. So that's the pre-market, Marie.
See, you're right. Yeah,
It's
Yeah.
a different story when it's after the open.
yeah.
So
You're
yeah, so she was right. I'm kidding. So, but yeah, she was totally right about that. And hey, the market I say was positioned to rally a little bit, and we have
It
that
did.
rally today.
It does it today. Yeah, exactly.
Good job in your prediction there, but today I think it's for sure we're gonna hit 600.
I believe so.
So if
I
we
believe
don't, I
so.
don't know anything. So, yeah. So, but yeah, what I was saying is that like the non-farm payroll came okay. The unemployment rate came okay too. So I mean, like at the end, the ADP was wrong, like by far. So or not wrong. I don't know how the discrepancy in this can be evaluated or ponderate. But yeah, though the ADP, maybe that's why people say we never look at it. But yeah, even the ADP was what it was. Uh, the unemployment rate is saying something else. So yeah, let's see what the market is going to be offering. As I say, everything looking quite bullish. An observation to PLTR is that it's not looking as bullish as the rest, but hey, it is trying. I know whoever sold whatever sold in PLTR yesterday, good for you, my guy. But like, damn, like this thing went down. I think more than $10. Yeah, more than $10. So it came from like the high of yesterday was 32, and it came all the way down right before the market closed to 119, so about $14 sell off. So yeah, so the rest is looking very strong. So Marie, how are you doing today?
I am doing fantastic. It's Friday.
Very nice, very nice.
Yeah, I'm very happy. It's Friday. And you? How are you doing, Davey?
Very good too. And yeah, Friday, as you say, was a good morning for me up to now. Like I was working a little bit outside, and that was very enjoyable.
Oh, that's always nice, right? When you're
Yeah,
in touch with the nature.
so more than that, things are under control. Let's see how we do.
Or Tesla, eh?
Yeah, I guess. Poor Tesla. Did you see the JT as well?
No.
Oh, that went to clap yesterday too.
Oh, well, good.
Because Elon Musk test whatever he test, and he say, "Good day, DJT." And it was just, you know, it is what it is. At the end, like. So I am looking to buy Tesla in the long term, but this provide that entry. But at the same time, like I mean, they were saying this morning that there is a call, like they like I don't know. Some people are saying that there is a call scheduled with Elon Musk and the White House to solve the issue, but apparently there is no real schedule anything yet. So
Well, big surprise, right? There's
yeah.
always a.
So
Hey,
we're just gonna have to wait and see what he wants to do, like what they're gonna do, and they're gonna solve their problem or not. And but like Elon Musk, like I don't know, like I think once you say the things you have said, like whatever he said there was like if it's true, like if it's true what he say, I don't know, like there's just stepping back from it. So I'm gonna
I'm
work
glad
away.
that he is stepping back from it.
Let's see. So yeah, so we have 5 minutes for the open. I would like to go Nvidia, but probably PLTR is gonna be more interesting.
Ooh, no, I don't think so.
Okay, can you elaborate a little bit more on that one?
Absolutely. So, if I'm looking at PLTR, well, I say that. Okay, so if I'm looking at PLTR, we've got big. I like the fact that it's over the. But when I looked at the tape, so we've got 123 to 125.
Max Verstappen.
So 123 to
Okay.
125 for PLTR that are committed. But if you look at NVIDIA, oof, like NVIDIA, you know, yesterday we were talking about the quality of the tape and the committal of the tape. They've committed. Like, check those position on NVIDIA. Do you see them?
Hmm.
Hey, where are they?
Yeah, I know. You are talking about all the 300s and 200s and 300s.
No,
and
no.
100s.
Yeah, no.
That are at
They
the
were
offer.
1,000, so they backed out.
Yeah.
No. So there was 1,000 at 143. There was
At
over,
145, there are 2,000. So.
yeah, 2,000 at 145, but it was 1,000 at 143. Then there's a lot continuing to 144. 144, there was 1,000 too, so they backed out. 145, there's 2,000. And there's numbers even going past that up to 150. So it's definitely a very, very different tape on NVIDIA than there is on PLTR. So I like the way that NVIDIA reacted to the VWAP. So for me, NVIDIA, yeah, I like NVIDIA a lot today. Doesn't mean I'm going to play it, but yes, I like NVIDIA a lot today. And you can see, like you were talking about that yesterday, the continuancy of the move, where PLTR, what a drop on PLTR, my God, 117.
I will put it this way: like it will depend on what you are looking for. Are you looking for long? Are you looking for shorts?
Yeah,
So
true.
what
true.
are you looking for?
I'm looking for long right now, but when I'm looking at, if I'm looking at SPY and the tape on SPY, we are really, there's a huge position which doesn't even show up on the chart here, but it's at 588 for SPY. Then we've got 600, a nice stack that should take us to 600 exactly and pass to 630 on SPY. So I've marked those there. It's a strong RSI for SPY for sure. NVIDIA's RSI way stronger than PLTR, but then again, we will see. What are you looking at, Davey?
Well, right now I'm gonna be looking at this PLTR, let's say, and I am willing to take a trade. Like I drop off an order at 124.48. That will be just with the intention of building a position. But yeah, I'm looking at PLTR, probably expecting a little pullback at the open, and Yeah, NVIDIA I would like the long, but I wouldn't like the long what it is right now. So for NVDA,
You're looking for a pull in,
yeah,
a pull back, yeah.
yeah.
Okay, so we've got 10 seconds.
So anybody have fun?
Have fun.
Enjoy. TLDR going without me. I have an order to short PLDR
Nice.
and haven't been able to get it yet. I'll be very patient there. I don't have to. Got it the way I want to get it, so if it doesn't work, yeah, there we go. That's how you print. That's how you print, my guy. That's how you trade. Those are quick. One minute here. Hey. May get me out. It's okay. If you get me out, we're gonna retest it. Yoki. Shouldn't work. It should work. Sorry, if it doesn't work, I'm okay with that.
Yeah.
But that trade should work. Yeah, got me out. Now let's see what you can do, PLTR. Trying to get the trade back on. Yeah, I play a little bit chicken there. That's not the way to get that trade. I'm gonna pay the price for that. There we go. I say that. Okay, let's do a little by little. He doesn't want to do it another way. Let's build up the position. And I mess it up. That's very messed up execution for mine.
For which?
For me. So on PLTR, like so let's see. Now I have a full position, but as I say, I did mess up the execution.
Okay.
So right now I'm just trying to have a size that's relevant while it's flushing down, which is not going really down anymore, and So I'm gonna drop off the order. Okay, we got a little bit. Some more. Yeah.
Wow, what a candle, eh, for SPY at the open?
Yeah. I've been doing very poorly on the Palantir.
Why?
Uh, because
What's the tape saying?
yeah, that's a good question.
So what's the tape on PLTR?
The tape, I'm gonna read it now. Just give me a second.
Yeah, 125 is the top there.
Um, yeah, the tape 80, 90, 92. Yeah, it's going down slightly, but there is not enough information yet. Trying to go higher and higher. My mistake, and I'm gonna say that it's just I took full sizes with all stop loss, and that wasn't good. So yeah, I should be correct, I think, but yeah. Let's see.
nice that Tesla's pushing.
Yeah.
So SPY has entered the stack.
Oh, I'm blocked, man. You piece of shit.
You're blocked?
Yeah. Bang.
Are you able to change?
No, it's, especially I know I broke the rules. Like.
SPY is going past
Yeah.
the 6.
Flying. Do you know that for the last 4 weeks,
Mm-hmm.
every Friday is a freaking red day?
No. Really?
Just Friday. It's like
Trump on Truth Social.
The SPY keep rallying up. Very nice volume for a SPY. So
He just said boy.
what's that? Who's that one?
Pillsbury, apparently.
Nvidia pulling back a bit too.
Oh, Spy's close to the top.
Yeah, like 40 cents from.
I'm looking at Tesla. Incredible. So SPY is going to be.
Hey, it's okay. It's just, we're gonna work on that. Let's see. Let's look at that tape on PLTR. I know I'm not trading anymore, but let's look at the tape because I think PLTR is like based on the tape. I was still thinking that it was a short. Like I mean, based on the tape that I didn't read. Like let's say we have ramp up volume. Like this volume is looking good because it's going higher, but like then. This is looking long in the volume actually. Let's say in digester. So when we look at the tape, what is the tape doing? 124.78. It's dropping 70. So let's confirm the bid. Yeah, the bid is not holding good on Palantir. Why I say that? Because it's gapping down 10 cents, 20 cents. So there we go. So it is a short on the tape. Like the tape is in signaling short. Let's see if there is somebody buying.
There was a top at 25.
Yeah, you have said it a couple of times, I think. Like, what was the size? You remember?
Don't remember.
But like, let's say, like I say, probably you can go to 128, but I will doubt it the way that the tape is looking now. Like, I mean, let's see. Yeah, that tape is definitely bleeding like quite a lot. Yeah, and now what? Like, it's just gonna go down. So I did a bunch of mistakes today, and I have a tendency to be wanting to finish Fridays earlier. Like, though, like we are trading anyways at that until the same time, but it's just like yeah, I chased the move a couple times, and I was taking big risk for no reason. So yeah, you see, we are back to 60. We are 124.60, and we are printing 72. Since the bid get heavy, it drop. So 62, 61, heavyish at 61, and it drop. So it's not dropping a lot, but it is dropping. So until we see like gaps of 10 cents, just like that. So it came from 61 to 51, and then to 50, and like that's why I say it seems to be like a clear short, unless somebody is buying hidden. Like I mean, when you have those participants, you cannot do much.
Right? Because you
Yeah.
don't see them.
Yeah, you don't see them until they really wag you out. Yeah, 60, you see, 60, and then oof, this is a crappy price action right there. So Yeah, I'm gonna have to have because if I show you the number, you will see. I have 4 weeks that the Friday I hit maximum loss the Friday only. The other days or are green or are insignificant losses, and it's like, why am I doing that? Like, I mean, now I'm gonna have to have a Friday note, like
Yeah,
like
a mental
just
note.
yeah, mental note. Like, my guy, today is Friday. If you want to not take any trade, don't take any trade, but don't do anything stupid. Like, probably, like, the thing I was telling you yesterday. Oh, but that I'm okay with that because that's what is. Like I told you, I was paying higher commission, but I am when I am Rome, it's cheaper. So it's the only time when I did it here. Look, the only time. The rest, I jump in with a full size with a very stupid stop loss. So this is a lost. This is a lost. Like, this is a lost. This is another lost. This is like, and that thing what I told you, like last Friday, I took the choice. Today I didn't even I wasn't even conscious that I was so close to maximum loss. you know.
You weren't sure? You
No,
didn't notice?
I wasn't aware. Like, I mean, as last time this time I wasn't aware. I was just taking trade, and then nope, you block. Aye, what the heck happened?
Jesus. Wow. The tapes are changing very quickly.
Yeah, like PLTR went back to 70. But if I have to say, the good price is the 25 that you were calling out. If you wanna like shoot it before 25, will be 24.80, which is about to be offered. Like, we have not much sizes in there. Like, we have 20. Look, yeah, it dropped right away. So though the tape is changing a lot, uh, the buyer is not a aggressive buyer like the one that was the day that it went like $10 in one day, and the tape is bleeding so much that I wouldn't be going long in this. And yesterday I believe long because of the volume, but today have very similar volume than that. $25.17. So probably gonna go to 28. And the volume is rising up a lot on PLTR. Quite a lot. Seems to be breaking out. The high of the day. PLTR.
Okay. I was in Roblox, and I knew that it was going to go to 28. Look at where I got out, and boom.
Yeah. Shake you out and then.
Shake me out. It shook me out.
da, 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 da.
So if you would be trading, Davey, what would you be trading today?
Just give me a second. I'm gonna go back to you there. Like Nvidia long is one of them, but like yeah, just okay. So let's see. Like, and I want to rationalize it as I kind of misbehave. So would like to make sure that anybody that will be looking at it or yourself, like, that you don't blindly like. But PLTR, like Nvidia, is looking ugly enough in the volume. Like Nvidia looks like if you just want to keep going down right now in the volume. So when we look at the tape and
I
we
had
have
it as a short.
we have a SPY pulling back. Yeah, Nvidia is weak on the tape. Like but probably too slow. Like for example, yeah, the beat is naturally dropping, while like let's wait for it to print in what, let's say 140, 150. Are you kidding me? Can you go that low? So right now, let's say if I am looking at Nvidia, I will be favoring probably shorts, and that shorts will be toward 140, 150. Like, where will I be getting that short? Probably at 142.50. So you can make maybe $1 on it, and like let's see. The problem is that this name is a little bit too strong. Like, so yeah, the short will make sense, but in the long term, we wanna go long. Like in the at the end of the move, like look, it's gonna go out, and like now it's trying to go to 140, 150, 142. 142 is gonna put some resistance because you have the size. Look at that size, and it gap down. So, but it's not gonna hold in there. I don't think so. So, yeah. So who? Hood is looking interesting, but it have been giving a lot away. So in quite high volume. Like the volume is dropping as it's selling off.
Mm-hmm.
So let's see. Like 73.80 could be a good buy probably. On Hood about like it's 88 I think. The price they got have there. Oh, yes, I have a window here open. Yeah, like around there probably.
The LTR's got a starting to form a bullish tape.
Yeah, and you have a very nice volume.
SPY's got a top. Yeah. There's a big position, a big sell position at 660.
Everything minus SPY is having a kind of inside day. And like I am questioning myself right now in something that I'm gonna explain a little bit later to you.
Okay.
But I now I'm gonna be looking for what doesn't have a hood inside day. And INTC inside day. I'm going through the list. Tesla
Wait till you hit QUBT.
inside day. QUBT. Yeah, outside. It's outside now. Oh, from 1271. Yo, Roblox. Maybe RKLB. RKLB. Yeah, that's outside able by a lot. That's it's looking very bullish actually. Choppy as hell for sure, but BBAI inside day. Rigetti. I would like to have other people's opinion on this in that matter. Like the guys probably. How did I see that happen? Like I mean, if I'm gonna trade like a cow, I'm gonna be trading like a cow no matter what. But even SoFi, like, did we just fall into that trap? It's unbelievable. Everything has a inside day. A inside day is when we stay inside the range of the previous day.
Correct.
So yesterday, because of the sell-off, the range was so crazy that today what we have is a inside day. So what I mean, like, yes, there is volatility going on up and down. Like, it's not saying that the thing won't work or anything. It's just saying like Like I could be more cautious instead of. But yeah, Fridays I am not cautious, so I'm gonna.
Yeah, weird, eh? Because you're so good all week, and when it comes to Friday,
You know what? Palantir is gonna go through crap again.
is that possible?
Yes, that is possible.
To what do you see it go?
To 117 by the end of the day. That's exaggerated. So probably 119. Oof. Only 119, my guy. Somebody is selling Palantir and is without compassion. $25 again being offered. I'm running away. Okay, 25. Somebody's buying now, aggressively, very aggressively right now. See,
Buys
you
in
got
the 600 again. RSI for SPY is definitely taking a hit. So NVIDIA, what you gonna do? Wow. What you doing? Why are you laughing?
Hey. So yeah, all good. Let's see. Nvidia doesn't want to let it go. Not doing much right now, and you're trading QBTS.
Yeah.
QBTS.
Breaking even. It's really a strong tape.
That one's looking strong.
It is a strong tape. But it's almost like I've got the people showing up that I can't see.
That can be LDR. PLTI is just like that tape. Yeah, that tape is just puke.
On which one?
PLTR. Like I told you, 119 without exaggeration, but it's yeah. How do you trade that? I mean, like, how would you trade that? Like, when it's popping up like $2-3 higher before going there. I guess it's at the worst spot that anybody can trade that piece of crap. Like Nvidia, if you believe in the long, it's a good long. If you believe in the short, it could be a good short. But like, though I do believe in the long on Nvidia instead of the short, but
You don't believe in the long in Nvidia?
I don't believe in the short on Nvidia because like I think it's pending to test 141 with 50 cents. But even there, it doesn't want to go. The lowest it went, it was 141.81. So, and the tape is bearish right now, but momentum is like not there at all.
I know what you mean.
So,
Well, the volume's very light, right?
yeah, but like
Look at the volume.
at some point that's gonna
Like
break.
it's 10:30, and look at the volume.
Yeah, like
The trade volume.
43 million. Normally
Come
it
on,
would
man.
be-
That we get that at 9:30.
So, Nvidia testing the 42 one more time. Coffee, Marie.
Thank you, Davey.
NVDA. Oh yeah, that 141.50 is sweet on Nvidia. Ay, papá.
Talk about no moves, eh?
Yeah.
Once the move is done, it's like everybody went to bed.
Strong buyer at 141.80 on Nvidia.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't know if you're gonna be able to hold there or what. But like the RSI is right now at the floor pretty much, so Tesla is on a spot that It's gonna get very volatile either way. More volatile than what it is right now.
Is that possible?
Yeah. See what they come out of that call with.
Oh, any news?
Not yet.
Except him bashing JP.
Jeremiah.
Jerome.
Jerome, yeah. In Spanish, it's Jeremiah.
Ah.
Look at Nvidia. 69, 141, 78, 141. I'm gonna take a look at Nvidia. $58. 141.50 have 425 lot. Let's see how low. I don't think it can print more than 15 cents below there. So in that trade, if I wouldn't be blocked, I would be going full long with a 15 cent stop loss. 141.50. What did it print? 141.51. That's what in my answer is a good entry. And the good thing when you have questions in your head that you just keep open is that little by little, one day, then another day, you get little crumbs of information, and that will answer your question. That entry there in Nvidia, like at that 141.51,
Mm-hmm.
I was able to foresee that we was going to be one by the penny. So instead of 50, I saw it was 141.51 instead of 141.50, and that is very valuable for the like you see the guy that is at 4, like he's still there. He didn't get filled by 1 penny. Like there is a 415 lot
Okay.
at 141.50. Probably he gonna get his shares, but if I will be him, I will be front running it because he's a little bit too close to the level. So there we go. That will be impressive if that thing doesn't fill that guy there. But I'm gonna keep eyes on it. Let's see. Hey, it's not a total loss day. I'm learning something here, and
I like that.
it's we still have a little problem, but I don't have a way to solve it right now. At least with those EMAs, like. Yeah, the guy that is at 50, probably he won't get filled, as I say, anymore.
Why do you say that? Too far?
He went too picky on it. Well, look, he went away. I know he didn't went away.
He's still there?
Still there, yeah. There we go. The print was literally 141.51. That's incredible. Yeah, and now he doesn't have a choice, I think. There we go. You are literally, if I would take that trade there, it's 4 in the morning compared to your risk. You are risking 15 cents. You are 60
Okay.
cents up. Yeah, good morning. I don't think it's gonna finish any strong. I did my Friday regular today, so she knows because
Good morning, Larry.
she knows what is a Friday regular because she was the one that was calling them out. So, oh my goodness. Back to life. Where do we have the? What's up?
Somebody just chatted that they did 10Ks on Tesla.
That's cool.
What kind of account did you need?
To do 10K on Tesla? On a day trade, it's a different story, but like in a swing trade, you don't need much to do that.
Day trade. Do you want to do me a favor?
Yes.
Do you want to look the float for RBLK? RKLB, sorry. I'm
Roblox.
Yeah, I'm dyslexic.
Modestie.
It's not behaving like I thought it would.
That thing is looking very bullish. I check at it that I'm not gonna go.
It's looking really, really bullish. It's just behaving a little bit crazy, and I just want to say, okay, well, no.
RBLK.
RKLB.
I did the same like that.
Yeah, then you're dyslexic too.
Yeah, I knew. 400 million. 400
No, that's not the right one.
377.
No, you're still Rocket Lab.
That's Rocket Lab.
RKLB?
It's not Roblox, yeah. Roblox
Okay.
is our, like,
It's an
it's
X.
the other, yeah.
Okay, and it's what? Tree, okay, so
Yeah,
it's
it's
got a
not
good
a low
flow.
float.
And what about the short?
The short interest and,
Mhm.
let's say,
4.1? 4.17.
What are you seeing there?
Third one, Yahoo Finance.
13%, 14%. That's high.
Mm-hmm.
That's what it's doing in there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that to me looks like very long. And he gave you the confirmation that from the VWAP. Choppy as hell, like.
Mm-hmm.
I have a little problem I want to solve in PLTR right now. And like, I'm adding moving average to that thing, and that is not the solution. So, what I'm gonna do,
You're adding what?
I'm adding moving average to those things, and it's not the right thing to do because, yeah, you see, that was like. That was Trump's social media or whatever. Let's see how this drama is going. So let's say 1 minute, okay. Let's say 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes. Daily. No, yeah. Is all that in capital letter? Yeah. And in here is like, well, Joe Biden was using.
So aside from the fact that
Biden was using AutoPay to sign up the pardons. But you cannot do that?
Of course you can.
Okay, ladies. Sometimes you can think out of the box a little bit better than the average bear out there. So, why would you say that PLTR is what it is right now? Like, if you have to say anything about PLTR,
It's just a good price.
and I see actually how many times you have interact with this.
It's a good price. People are saying, yeah, you know what? That's what it's worth.
No, but it's not what is happening. It's not like they are not buying it. They are not selling it. Like they are both things, but it's a little bit too balanced.
That's what, but isn't that what I just said?
Yeah, in theory, that's what you say.
Because your first response was no. No, they think it's a good price.
Oh, lady, I have gold to share with you after. Look at that. I have the whole week. I have been formulating the answer, and like, who else did the same thing? Like, that have been happening the whole week, and that's why probably I am like that having on the back of my head. But Tesla, a very similar thing going on Tesla. And the problem is that Tesla now is like, Tesla is trapped to, like, I mean, the same way that, and I guess, like, do I feel like that? Like, let's say as a swing trade investor, whatever, like, do I want to buy Tesla? Hell yeah, I want to buy Tesla at that price. How much sure do I am that I want to buy Tesla at that price? I am concerned about the things that is going on with Elon, because the things that we're saying is gonna put one of the two, or the president or Elon, in trouble. And the president have been winning all his fights, so if Elon lost it,
Yeah, but has he ever fought with the richest man in the world?
I don't know if it was J.P. Morgan, but a couple banks downgrade the price of Tesla this morning, and like they say, like, oh no, it's back to the price is 280. So the downgrade instead of whatever price it was higher. So, well, that there is a fight. That the fight, like, one have political power, the other have financial power, like economical power. So, and like, we kind of have to choose our poison in there.
And it depends as well. Who has the burden of proof on anything that's being said, right? So I
Yeah,
think
but
that's
does
going
Elon
to.
have proof? Elon
That's
may.
what I mean. So who has the burden of proof? So who would be smart enough? Like, would Elon be smart enough to have covered himself in the euphoria that he was going through? Like, it takes a lot of euphoria to wear a hat, a cheese made of hat, a hat made of cheese, right? So, a queso sombrero.
Unless you
Come
think it's
on,
cool.
man. Hmm?
Unless you naturally think it's cool.
Come on.
I don't know. You
Come
know?
on.
I like cheese
There's
a lot, you know.
no way that somebody would think that, hey, you know what? I think it's cool that. Come on. No way.
Okay.
Why, you think that wearing a sombrero made of queso is cool?
I think it could be very cool, but
Okay. I think you shouldn't be trading on Friday.
ay, ay.
No trading for you on Friday. Unless you wear your sombrero. There's a lot of noise.
That's why I say I think we just fall into the trap. Like, I mean, like, why was the selling off of yesterday? Just because of Elon Musk and Donald Trump meltdown?
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. So,
Yeah,
like,
because it was Tesla that brought the market down.
so if you see here, in there, like in any chart that you look, it has in everywhere minus this one. The blue line is how high the market went. The purple is how low the market. Like, whatever we are looking at yesterday, you have NVDA, Tesla, PLTR, INTC. Everything is inside yesterday. So Was that made yesterday to make today the way it is? I don't know if you know what I mean. Like,
Yep.
was it that like that just to neutralize a little bit of the volatility today?
Could be.
INTC short at 2032. Looking good as a short rider. I know it has decent volume, but look the order on INTC at 2023.
Where?
Yeah, and 2021.
Jesus.
Yeah. Una piedra en el camino.
They don't expect a rate cut for June. He's gonna go berserko if that doesn't happen. BTS. It's hard to find something that hasn't reached the top. You know what I mean?
Kind of. Kind of, I know what you mean.
What about BPI? BPAI. What's the tape looking like?
Very crowded. With a big position at 380. But the volume is looking very good for the long.
Yeah, that is one that I would like to.
To swing trade?
Yeah.
Yeah, myself, I'm thinking about that one. They were comparing that stock with Palantir. I told you, I think.
Oh, no.
They were saying, oh, maybe that's the one that is gonna put the performance like Palantir.
Mm. That sounds interesting. Yeah?
In the whole year,
Mm-hmm.
the whole year, yeah, the biggest volume of Tesla was yesterday.
Are you kidding?
Uh, you see, like here, that's how high it went. There is no that went that high.
That's a shame. Yeah, I'm glad that Tesla's in the 300 now. Wow.
By $2, you know.
Look at how rangy, right? Did I call PLTR rangy? Holy crap, is it ever rangy? If it loses it, I'm going in. Which one are you looking at?
I'm looking at NVIDIA and I'm looking at BBAI.
Interesting, eh? Baby AI.
Yeah.
Can we take a little break?
Yeah, let's
Would
take
you
a little
mind?
break.
know what you mean.
All the money that he lost in that crap, and it's like
Hmm?
all the money that he lost in that process. So,
And I agree.
well, let's say no money, let's say resources in general, because he
Mhm.
was. I mean, like, hey, he played the bully too, you know.
Do you agree or disagree with the comment that he said that he helped him win, or he would have lost without him?
I think that that's the reality.
He was used.
But I don't think that it was ingenuity. Like, I mean, like, like, you know, say that. I don't think he was naive. I think he knew what he was doing.
You think so?
Yeah, and then he find out that, hey, I don't have the wood for to be a politician.
I like the way you said that.
No, like I know politicians, let's say, and like in my country and things like that, and like uh, I think I wouldn't be able to do what they do. Like, Aurora. What is Aurora doing? My guy printing Aurora. No, Aurora is cheap. It's good to buy. I think I get around there, but if I don't buy Tesla, I'm gonna buy a BBAI. If you offer the price I want for the swing trade,
Okay, so what would be your price for BBAI?
371.
That's a pullback, eh?
It's not that big.
What's Nvidia doing? D-Ray, where is it? It's doing nothing.
Yeah. That's
And
why
what
I say-
about PLTR? What is it doing?
At least PLTI is already on its way to hell. Like, what is disappointment? Piece of crap. The buyers are not in Tesla yet.
They're not?
No. So for anybody there, like, watch out. Like, this thing can still pull back quite aggressively. That $300 has a lot of value because it is the 200 moving average in the daily chart. It's actually the 305, so it's still trading below there. And yeah. The 11th worst day of Tesla was yesterday in history, so it's unbelievable that it's still happening other days that it was worse.
That's insane.
Selling happening on Tesla right now. Look at that huge candle there, so
Can't believe PLTR is still not losing it. No committal on the tape for neither PLTR or NVIDIA. Incredible.
look at the Nvidia, 142.
That's it.
Yeah, I am observing that. I'm gonna keep watching those things. $142 shorts now in Nvidia apparently.
Wow, SPY's just losing its crap. Wow, what is driving SPY right now? Oh, Tesla. Oh, NVIDIA. Oh. QQQ is losing its company.
So,
I'm observing QBTS. Where do you see a top on something, Davey?
At top.
Mm-hmm.
Probably I'm not understanding your question.
Where do you see a stock being at the top?
There, let me see. Look. Yeah, to me that will be PLTR.
PLTR?
Yeah. And Nvidia is not the top, but it is. I think it's gonna go lower by about $1. Like the best price, and there is some size probably. There probably no, there is some size is at 42 for the short.
Okay.
But PLTR, if I want to identify where PLTR will be that short, I'm trying to see here. It will be, if you see, it's trying to hold the. So it will be 124.50 for PLTR. It's testing it right there, but I don't think it's gonna go too far from there. The problem with that trade is that it will require a lot of patience, and it's actually going like a little bit higher. I did some. I checked some of the previous higher highs,
Mm-hmm.
and the risk supposed like 15 cents supposed to work if you have the right price. Like now the 50, it shouldn't print 65. So, but yeah. And but this is so sideways. But it's the one I see that is the highest because, for example, SoFi already gave away a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Nvidia is literally at the bottom, and QBTS is already is high, but that doesn't look like if it wants to come too low, no. Mara, the same thing. Mara is at the top actually. Let's look at Mara actually. Like yeah, PLTR is going higher. It's my head today with PLTR is not working good. Yeah, Mara looks like in the top. Oh yeah, that's definitely toppy. Probably is gonna print 16 before.
Toppy for which one?
Mara,
Okay.
like he made lower lows and lower highs. So let's see. Yeah, there is a size at 1610, and at 16 there is another. So let's say if you go 16, 15 cent stop loss, and where can it come back? Probably to 1571, something like that, which is about the VWAP. PBAI.
I can't believe it's reacting that way. It shouldn't reject the VWAP, not with the tape.
the problem is that like that stock is very cheap, and those tapes they looks big, but like ideally we need to see a little bit more buying here than what we see right now.
Mm-hmm.
Like you see the one the 380. That's
Mhm.
significant. So once it print that,
But the 404 is significant as well.
yeah. But did you see how far it is from there compared to the? Well, it's as far from both, I guess.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so this one here, that was a lesson of complete patience. So this is where it was supposed to go, 2016. And that was $1, could not hold it for the like of me. So that is definitely a big lesson in patience. Big lesson in patience. Because did it go there? Absolutely, did it go there. You want to put a couple of levels? Did you want to wrap things up there, Capitan?
Yeah, let's wrap it up. And yeah,
Just want to put a couple of levels before we
unbelievable,
close
Mina.
it down.
So for me, like let's wrap it up. For me, I only trade a PLTR and totally smoke and misbehave on the way I trade. Like I took bigger size with wider stop loss for no reason. So and yeah, it's red date. So this is everything here was just crap. So like I mean. There is no way for me to justify anything of it. Like, let's say, yes, this is short. That makes sense. Was printing very good, but I still took a loss on it. And then I shorted at a bad price. Shorted at a bad price. Like, technically, I should be shorting around here, then around here, and then it's not a short anymore. And yeah, this was the way I smoked today, and then I shorted again. For which reason? Unclear reason, I guess. So yeah. So I think this is a short, but can you get rangier than that? It's like this name today is it's breaking my head. So like,
PLTR?
yeah, it's but like I'm gonna work on that because it's for sure my problem with the Fridays. I don't know what is going on exactly there, but like it's funny if I have about like that it matter just four days right in the last month, and all of them are Friday. So every Friday. So the other days I am barely flat, making money, or really small red. So yeah, so buy the penny this whole day, the moving average here, and then it prints even higher here. So less momentum here, that's a for sure, compared to this. So yeah, there's a point that this is gonna come to break that, but probably, and like then you wouldn't be buying until like 140.80, 140.70, something like that. So yeah, as I say, like
Super rangy, eh?
work in progress here, but not like really bad trading for me on PLPR. So yeah, what about you, Marie?
Well, for me, my big fail was Arcade LB. So the rest was not that bad, but RKLB, oi, 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 oi. So I had good QBTS, QUBT. I even had um, uh, CRWV that did well. But my big fail, my big slap fail, like was RKB. LB. It was just a total lack of patience. I took a long, and I mean, come on, taking a long at 27.40. I had my level there at 28.60. It was clear on the tape. It's still there actually, 28.60. There's still another one there. There's really strong position up to 30. But I just kept going out. And no, you know what? It's not going to get there. It's not going to get there. It's going to get me out. It's going to get me out. So I did that I don't know how many times. I even flipped my position short. Did not do well with it as well. So no, that's a big fail. That's a slap fail. Sadly, it did not go well with that one. QUBT, I left money on the table, but yeah, it worked well. So yeah, that was a big fail for me. I'm disappointed with. I was sure it was Roblox, and like you said, when you went there, Rocket Lab, and though it did have a very good float, its short was very expensive. So yeah, not good.
So that's it.
That's it.
So that's everything for today. We're gonna be here Monday. Hey, Monday I have an observation day, and yeah, we're gonna think a little bit about that this weekend because it's very annoying to get every Friday red, and because I just say, hey, your psychology is working against you. So yeah. So I hope everybody have a good day. Everybody have a good weekend. We're gonna see you Monday. See you then. Bye.
Bye.